alphonic.com.
Have you ever wondered how to make groups navigate each class? Well, this episode will provide a comprehensive guide to help you. First of all, rename the spreadsheet radius snap. Then get a background. Scroll down and get the extra red 30 pixels. This means that each pixel is zoomed by 30. Then set the size to around 30 or lower. Click, go to X0, Y0, and set the variable. Additionally, set size to the set size that you have currently. Then get a one space class. Create a clone for yourself. When you start as a clone, go to mouse pointer. And as you can see, they are creating a lot of clones. But they are not only not in position, we have created so many clones that exceeded the limit. To solve this, we're going to want to state on this time available space. Delete all of the available space at the start. And then we're going to want to add a go to X, Y, Z. Get a mod block. Get another one. Get an addition block. And get two subtraction blocks. Type in 30 in the right-hand space in the mod. Then add a X position and a Y position. Duplicate your X position and add 15. Now that we have our X position center aligned, it's time to do the Y position. Repeat the same process but with Y instead. Drag it as them. And also add to in of the available space. Drag a join X position, Y position block. Then duplicate it. If the available space contains string, replace that with the join X and Y position. Then delete this clone. Then we're going to want to test that again. As you can see, they are perfectly aligned. And if you try to place it in a place that has already happened, you will not have it there again. Thank you for watching.
Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.